Hey guys, it's Rombo here. Hope you had a good day. Some stocks did very well and some didn't, and that's the way it goes. I thought I'd mix things up a little bit. I'm going to put some of the ones in there that I put in on my swing trades, and also put some in that I haven't done for a while also, and took out some. So we'll don't worry, I'll get to them eventually. I'm starting off today with the one that we haven't looked at for a while is DPLS. We're in the smart money area here, guys. We've had a couple of good days. I'm not saying this is going to explode or anything, but we did hold support, and it is at a very low level overall. We're still in an uptrend also, so you just might want to keep an eye out for DPLS. If it gets over the yearly VWAP here at 0.48, that would be a really good sign that things might be on the uptrend for DPLS. It did break the downtrend line, so that's a very good thing. I guess I could probably get rid of that one. That's one that got me in a lot of trouble. It happens, guys, with bad. With even good trades is you have a good setup, you have a downward facing wedge, and 78% of the time it goes up. Oh, this one didn't, and I got caught on that. I got caught holding bags, but looks like we're in a good reversal area here. Not exactly a trend reversal stage one quite yet, but we're getting close to it. So keep an eye out on DLPS. Next I have is IDEX. IDEX is an old friend of mine. I played that one from I think it was $1.90 up to $5. And then I did a lot of trading within this area, in this area right here. And then we finally broke out of this consolidation to the south side. But now we broke this downward resistance trend line here just barely. So that doesn't mean we're going to the moon quite yet. But what I would like to see is some kind of breaking away from that trend line, maybe retesting 111 and taking off, something like that. So I thought it'd be a nice, probably minimum of a week to however long it continues to go. But what I'm looking at is we're not exactly in smart money here, guys, but I'm looking overall. I do believe from the weekly chart, we're at the -1.5 deviation. And I went over that, I think, on my video Friday, I think Sunday night. So we had a good day today. I went up 3.74%. We are just about ready to break that downtrend line. So I'm thinking that this is really going to transition. We'll start going up. If you notice, last February, boom, it did that. 2 years ago, last year, it popped in February. So a lot of good history behind IDEX also. So we have that going for us. The next one is MJWL. MJ had a good day today. It looks like we have a squeeze alert on it. But we're up 2.76% today. We had a doji bottoming tail, and now a good day today. And so we'll see. Here's the bottom VWAP line. The lowest candle on the chart view is anchored to that. So if we could break that, that would be a good sign. We're close enough to smart money right here if you got in first thing in the morning. But I'm seeing eventually to get up back to the means line with MJ. So I think there was a pattern on MJ, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there we are. Now we're below the reversal, but these targets are very nice. I mean, the first target is at 8 cents. So that's something to look for coming up here if you haven't seen it yet. MONI down 0.85% today. I think we're still above the support line here at 0.0193. Might be a good area maybe to have as a stop loss, and technically we're still below this downtrend line here, but pretty aggressive. It was down below the one deviation, and we're looking for a move back up to the average price 0.453. So we have that for MONR. Next, MTTR. We had another rough one for MTTR today. But here on the 5-day, it really likes to go from -1 to or -2 to or +2 to -2 to +2 again. So, but now we're starting to set higher lows here. So on this dip right here, it's coming back up. That's a good sign of a reversal pattern. And right here we had this high here. Now we broke that high and we finished low. So I want to see us get above that 975 area and really start to take off. The good sign is this candle right here was the highest volume candle. That's what this kind of light blue dotted line is. That's an anchored VWAP. So we finished above that VWAP. So that's a good sign. So I still am looking pretty optimistic on MTTR. Next, we have I have on the list is Puge. Puge didn't do anything today, so again, still consolidating, staying above the support line. It's a downward wedge, so eventually we'll get a pop out of PUGE. And next, I have SLDP. SLDP very much in the smart money here. We had a 3% day today. We're getting close to the -2 deviation. Guys, just to have it go back to average price is 965. So things are looking okay for us, LDP. Next we have is, what do I have here? XELA, yeah. Having a hard time for some reason all of a sudden. Broke the downtrend, a nice pop, retracement. Now another great pop today. We finished at 0.8599. Things are looking pretty good to see it probably try to get up to the $1.15 line. I thought I saw something that made me, the 5-day here, guys, it likes to hit the second deviation and come down. And so here we hit the second deviation. I wouldn't be surprised if maybe the next day, maybe day and a half or so, that XELA will come down a bit. And just a little retracement on the way back up to getting back to the average price. So if you're not in it, there's be patient, and I think you might see a pullback tomorrow, maybe 2 days before it really starts getting going again here. VRAR. VRAR had a decent day today, 3.39%. Again, with VRAR, I wouldn't be surprised if we have maybe another retracement, but I wouldn't be surprised. We have a low, we have now a higher high and a higher low. So, I wouldn't wait. I don't think there's going to be really a dip. I think this one is finally going to get going and set a higher high before we get another low put in here. So I'm really excited about VRAR. Next, I think I brought this up a while ago, not on Sunday's video, but TCDA. That's Tricidia, Inc. Yep, it's way up there now. I've been talking about it since 7.6s and then the 9.17 area. But this is off the weekly chart play, guys. Yep, we are over bought right here, but I'm going by the horizontal chart. If we could get above, the 1188 area, I have probably I'll start putting money in. About right now, 1057. I think once we get above that mark, I mean, to really be conservative, 1195 or maybe the 1122 area, actually 1129, 1130. You might want to put something, a date night into TCDA, because I think it's just kind of a sloppy, very sloppy cup, and I wouldn't be surprised to see this jump up, and then once we get in this area right here, I see us having a really good jump up. But we definitely have to get above the 1260s to really see that kind of a pop up there. I have no idea why that's up there. So TCDA is something to keep an eye out on. And then I don't think, did I bring up AFRM? I do not think I did, but I'm going to bring it up. AFRM has just had this epic run and now epic down. So I would not be surprised, given the big massive retracement. I don't see this, coming up, going crazy right off the bat. But I do see at least it coming back to average, $105 or so, and then maybe a retracement back down to 70, and then have it start off the year, eventually going back up to the upside. So AFRM, very volatile. The options are crazy. It will make you lose your hair. And but that's what I see for AFRM also. I think it's a good time for you to maybe take a look at that. And with that said, I thought there was one more that I wanted to take a look at here. ZSC had a good day, so keep an eye out on that one also. PJET, great day. Here we go. SWRM. I've never covered this one before. Someone brought it up in the Discord today, and I looked at it, and it looks interesting. It broke the downtrend line here. It broke this secondary trend here. It did. At least I thought it did. But whatever. We're getting close to it. I know that. We're right on it right now. We did break support right here. That's what I am concerned about. But there is support right here at the negative 0.5. I'm not telling you to get in this. I'm telling you to keep an eye out on it. Today it was up 0.85%. Yeah, no big deal. But just keep an eye out, because if it does bottom out right here, which it's kind of on support, a little bit of support right here. There's a lot more at the -1 deviation. But this definitely, here's last February. This has an epic run history to it. So, and that's on the weekly chart. So here's the daily chart right here. That's what I remembered taking a look at here. There's the downtrend. It broke that, just kind of consolidating right now. And the very low of the chart is 0054. So we're at 0059. Not that bad of a price to maybe put a date night in. And it, again, has a history of absolutely blowing up. So I just thought I'd throw that out there and give you guys a heads up on that one. And with that said, guys, I hope you had a really good day. Hope you had made some money. Please, if you like the channel, please give me a like and hit that subscribe button. That'd be awesome. And guys, have a blessed night, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm an old man in a dark room upstairs looking at 3 monitors. I'm not a financial advisor. Had to get that in there. All right, bye guys.